Do you have too many properties and not enough time? Budget's always tight, vendors everywhere, and data nowhere? Meet Digible, your multifamily marketing ally. Digible offers all-in-one performance marketing. This includes local SEO, paid media, organic social, and fair housing compliance. Best of all, it's all backed by Fiona, your virtual marketing assistant. Digible offers flexible contracts, adjustable budgets, and real-time insights. We keep it automated where it should be and hands-on where it matters. Every campaign is localized and unique. Every property strategy is custom. We're here to help you hit your occupancy goals with fewer vendors, more results, less chaos, and a smarter strategy. Digible, built for the modern multifamily marketer.